Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this slide. It's look pretty nice. Let's start. At first, we need to create these shapes. They are just some rectangles. I copied and create a lot. So let's show you how. At first, we create a rectangle. The size is important, the size you want, and rotate it a little. Then you need to color it the color you want. For example, I'm going to color it blue. And then it's important the color, for example, is going to be this blue and the outline is going to be that blue. Now you just simply need to create a lot of copy of that with a simple rule that each copy is going to align the past one wellly. Okay. Now everything is ready. You copy the text, paste it here, copy this text, paste it here, send it to back, recolor it. I'm going to go with black. Then copy this slide. It's important to bring them out like this and bring them out. Now we need to bring these things out. Okay, now bring it up and set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. It's pretty nice. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.